welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to film another DIY video. I have 2 DIYs and now I'm going to show you the first one. So for the first project I found this candle holder, and later on in the thrift store I found another one. A little bit of a different color, but I am going to paint them with this, the dried clay color. And after everything dries, I got this vase that fits perfectly on here, and I'm going to glue that down. For the second project, I had this in mind for a long time now. I came across this on my Pinterest board a lot. So today is finally the day that I'm going to attempt to make a lamp like this. So I have a couple of things here. So I found this lamp for €2.50. It's going to use the base and not the lamp shade. Mimi. And I have a couple of things to stick on there. I have a skeleton's head that I also used in my Halloween DIY. A lot of these guns with a key at the end. Don't ask me why. And I have some pretty cool snakes and dinosaurs. So now I have to think of a pattern to glue this on, and in the end I'm going to paint it one color, and I'm curious how it's going to look. Okay, so I made this. It really looks so good. Oh my god. I'm so happy with this. Oh. So now I'm going to make one for every room in my house. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked it, and if you do, please like this video, and if you want to see more videos, you can subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. I got these fast, no, and I'm going, and then I have this thing. What hard. So thank you guys so much for watching these DIY videos. This DIY video. So if you like this video, nee.